Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Heat oil in a large non-stick fry pan over high heat. Next, chop up 250 grams of your favorite mushrooms. I usually go with button mushrooms in my recipes. Friends, please write in the comments what country and city are you from. It's very nice to know that we can communicate all over the world. Add the mushrooms to the pan and cook them, stirring constantly until they release their moisture. Salt to taste and keep stirring the mushrooms until all the water's cooked off. Guys, if you think your friends and family would like this video, go ahead and share it with them. Transfer the mushrooms to a plate. And in the same pan, heat up about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add 1 pound or 450 grams of ground beef. Break it up with a spatula and cook over medium-high heat, stirring occasionally. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and ground pepper to taste. Stir well and keep cooking. Chop up 2 big garlic cloves. Add the chopped garlic to the ground meat and give it a good mix. Meanwhile, chop 1 large carrot. If you prefer not to have crunchy carrot pieces in your dish, I recommend grating the carrot on a coarse grater, which will make the dish more tender. Add the carrot to the ground meat and mix it well. Add 1 can of tomato and basil pasta sauce. Also add a little water. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer covered for about 10-15 minutes. While the meat is simmering, bring water to a boil for the spaghetti. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, and about 11 ounces or 300 grams of spaghetti. Cook until al dente. Add the mushrooms back to the pan and let it all simmer with the lid on. Stir the mushrooms back into the pan and mix everything well. Then add the cooked al dente spaghetti. Carefully mix it all together. Add a few ladles of pasta water to make the sauce creamier. Chop up a little parsley. Guys, if you think your friends and family would like this video, go ahead and share it with them. For serving the pasta, grate some hard cheese. I hope you enjoyed making this hearty spaghetti with ground meat. If you have any tips or variations you love, share them in the comments below. Wow, it's so good and so comforting. I seriously hope you try this and enjoy it. If you liked the recipe, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Share your results in the comments and see you in the next video.